Hey guys, this is me Pranav Pinar and you're watching me on the channel Pain Se Gain Tak. So today I'm back with a very interesting, a very recommended video from your side, that is oral sex, its risks and how can you overcome these risks. So without wasting much time, let's get into the video. So there are three types of oral sex. One, it is with penis, second is with vulva, and third is with the anus. So what are the risks associated with oral sex? As we all know that the saliva can't transmit HIV, but the transmission of HIV can happen through oral sex. If your mouth is having some kind of cuts, if your mouth is having some kind of sores or canker sores or any other sore or some bleeding gums like in scurvy, if then there can be the presence of blood, then HIV can transfer through your oral sex itself, which is done through your mouth. Second, if you are a person who used to swallow the ejaculate, that is the cum, or the pre-cum, that is the pre-ejaculate, then also there will be chances of the transmission of HIV. If your partner is, if one of the partner or both is HIV positive, then there are chances of the spread of a number of STIs like gonorrhea, syphilis, then herpes, etc. through oral sex. And also we all know there is a virus called HPV, and HPV can be also spread through oral sex, and thus there some strains of HPV will be can cause your oropharyngeal cancer. That is, your oropharyngeal cancer can be caused by some strains of HPV. So the throat cancer or this oropharyngeal cancer can also be associated with having oral sex. So all these can be a major risk associated with oral sex. So what are the things that you should keep in mind before having this oral sex? Yes, of course, this oral sex can be very pleasurable, but it is very important to take the precautions while having oral sex, because it can be risky at times, because the transmission of STIs can happen through oral sex. So the first and the foremost thing that you have to understand is use a condom. You have to use a condom while having this kind of oral sex, because you all know the condoms are flavored. We all know there are a lot of flavored condoms available, and of course vagina, your cervix or your vulva is not having taste buds in order to taste. So it is definitely, the flavored condoms are made for the sole purpose of oral sex. So you won't be having that stinky smell of latex from the normal condoms as you used to have. So you can use a flavored condom which can be of different flavors in order to do oral sex, so that you won't be getting the risk of transmission of STIs. Can also use a dental dam if you are a person doing oral sex with vulva. So here is a pro tip for you all, if you are not having a dental dam. So how to cover your vulva or anus with just a condom and not using a dental dam. So you have to take a condom. If you have a condom, you take it, cut the upper part of the condom, and also the bulge part of the condom you have to cut. So you are just left with a tube. This kind of a tube you are being left with. Now cut one end of the tube and you are going to get a sheet kind of thing, right? So you have to keep the sheet in front of the vulva or in front of the anus, then have oral sex. So that can act as a barrier in order for avoiding the risk of transmission of STIs. So this can also be done in order to prevent STIs from oral sex. So guys, so this all things you have to keep in mind before having oral sex, and it is completely normal to have oral sex and all. And also you have, if you are not willing to do all these kind of thing, and if you want to have an unprotected oral sex, then both the partners should go and take STI test done. This will be available in all the pathological labs, and you can also, pathological lab will be having this STI panel, so you can do a STI test done from a pathological lab, or you can go to a general physician or to a gynecologist and you can do this test. And after, if you're confirmed with that both the partners is not having STI, then go for oral sex unprotected. So it's always prevention better than cure, and have a happy life, guys. So it's me, Pranav Pinay, signing off. If you want to watch more such videos and such exciting, interesting content, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also give me your honest feedback in the comment sections below. Thank you, guys.